What if I told you Bitcoin could either be the best financial decision of your life or the most expensive mistake you'll ever make? In 2013, Bitcoin was under $100. Years later, it created millionaires. But it has also destroyed portfolios and wiped out savings. So what's the truth? Not the hype, not the fear, the real truth about Bitcoin that no one tells you. Bitcoin is a digital currency. It's decentralized, which means it's not controlled by any government or central bank. It runs on something called blockchain, a public digital ledger that records every transaction ever made. There will only ever be 21 million Bitcoins. No more. Ever. And that scarcity is one of the main reasons people believe it has value. But here's the first truth no one tells you. Bitcoin is not just an investment. It's an experiment. An experiment in money. An experiment in trust. An experiment in whether millions of people around the world are willing to agree that something purely digital can store value. People don't make money from Bitcoin because it's magical. They make money because of volatility. Bitcoin moves fast. When it rises aggressively, and when it falls, it crashes hard. Early investors made fortunes because adoption grew and demand increased faster than supply. That's simple economics. But here's truth number 2. Most people who buy Bitcoin don't hold it long enough to win. They buy when everyone is excited. They panic when the price drops. And they sell at a loss. Bitcoin rewards patience, but it punishes emotion. Now let's talk about the risk no one likes to mention. Everyone talks about the upside. Very few talk about the psychological pressure. Imagine investing a significant amount of money and watching it drop 30 or 40% in a matter of weeks. Could you hold? Because that has happened before. Multiple times. In previous cycles, Bitcoin has lost over 70% of its value before recovering. That level of volatility is normal for Bitcoin, but it is not normal for most investors. The real risk isn't just losing money. It's losing control of your emotions and making decisions you regret. So, is it too late? People always ask, did I miss the opportunity? Here's the honest answer. You missed the very early phase, but you didn't miss the opportunity entirely. Bitcoin is no longer a secret discussed only in online forums. It's now part of global financial conversations. But the easy 1,000 times gains? Those were part of the early adoption stage. Today the game is different. More mature. Still volatile. Still risky. But no longer the Wild West it once was. So is it worth investing in Bitcoin? Here's the truth no one tells you. Bitcoin is not a guaranteed path to wealth. It is a high-risk asset. If you don't have an emergency fund, don't invest. If you're struggling with high-interest debt, fix that first. If you can't handle seeing your investment fluctuate dramatically, this may not be for you. But if you understand risk, if you diversify, and if you invest only what you can afford to lose, then Bitcoin can play a role in a balanced portfolio. Not 100% of your money, maybe 5%, maybe 10%. Smart investing isn't about going all in. It's about surviving long enough to benefit from long-term growth. Bitcoin might shape the future of finance, or it might remain a volatile digital asset with cycles of boom and bust. No one knows for sure. But the biggest mistake you can make is investing in something you don't understand. Don't follow hype. Don't follow fear. Follow strategy. If you found value in this video, drop a comment and tell me your opinion on Bitcoin. Are you investing, or are you staying on the sidelines? Like this video to support the channel, subscribe to Tom Invests for more investing content, and turn on the notification bell so you're always one step ahead. I'm Tom, and remember, wealth is built with discipline, not emotion. I'll see you in the next video.